So here we are at Pirates of the Caribbean. Again, one of my favorites, and this is also one of my grandmother and my grandfather's favorite rides. I always remember getting on this when I was younger, and I always like the smells inside of there. Do you ever smell you could smell like the rum and the fire, and I always like the scents and stuff. So we're gonna go inside, and we're gonna actually feel like we're on the ride. So I'm gonna record it all for you. So why don't you join me on the Pirates of the Caribbean?
Jack Sparrow, speak up! Or may you fancy a swim with Davy Jones?
Stack your feathers, dearie. Show up your flock.
Send them hits to Davy Jones. He's the
Anchor now, you swabbies. What may I offer for these hearty heads? Every one an egg layer.
Not less than me laying golden eggs.
Belay there, you bilge rat.
Oh, quit your clucking. The gentlemen want the rum. Don't you, boys?
Here I be, holding the treasure map and the key as well. What I wouldn't give to see the look on Captain Jack Sparrow's face when he hears down till only me what's got the good
This old planet, feel free to join in anytime. Far below all this fancy
Thanks for stopping by Lydia's Travel Diaries. Like and subscribe as I will be sharing more travel tips and travel videos. I'll see you in the next video.